Okay, maybe this is a crazy video, but extra concrete. Like, I used to think, oh, I'm going to get an extra bag and then I can use it later. But the problem is, it always gets hard. It doesn't get hard right away, depending on where it is, but it gradually, the mortar gets hard. So this time I wasn't able to use up the bag. Hopefully, we'll be down in a few weeks. So I wrapped up the bag, put it inside of an old bag of dog food, an empty bag. Wrap that, excuse me, and I hope that that's going to keep the humidity from making it hard because it's so much nicer when it's nice and soft. Okay, so it might be a crazy video, but for some reason I haven't done this in the past. For years I just wrapped the bag up and thought that would last, but it just doesn't. Okay, so extra mortar, put it in the most airtight bag you can, and then use it as soon as you can.